Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that PVP fun token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, PVP fun is a revolutionizing the Web3 landscape by providing a powerful user-friendly infrastructure for the creation and assetization of programmable viable products PVPs through its seamless integration of AI-driven vibe coding and on-chain ecosystem. PvP Fun empowers creators and developers where or not they have coding experience to instantly convert ideas into deployable applications and assetized experiences. PvP Fun token total supplies 100 million and circulating supply is not showing yet. PvP fan token is listed on gate.io, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.